Hello, Gareth here from Jonard Tools. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the AMM-600, our automatic intelligent digital multimeter. The reason it's going to be a quick tour is because it's so easy to use. Of the 9 test functions this intelligent multimeter performs, the first 4 work with auto detection. This means that although you can select them manually, the device will recognize the test that you want and switch to it automatically. The remaining 5 functions can only be used by manually selecting them, so let me show you how this works. The first thing I'm going to do is plug in the leads and remove the lead caps. While the auto test is scanning, I'm going to grab a battery and connect the leads to the positive and negative sides. The AMM-600 will auto detect and switch to the DC voltage test, giving us correct readings. That was simple. Next, let's try to test a regular outlet. And just like that, it knows we want to test AC voltage. Quick and easy. Another perfect test, and I barely had to do anything. So now let's try and test another function. The digital multimeter can automatically detect. We're going to touch our leads to 2 sides of a resistor on this circuit board. The intelligent multimeter automatically switches to the ohms test, knowing that we need to measure resistance. Another successful test with minimal effort on my part. Now let's test for continuity. We have this wire set up for this demonstration. First, I'll take the 2 leads and touch opposing sides of the exposed copper wire. If there's continuity, the light will light up green and we'll get a solid tone. To demonstrate a failing test result, we cut this wire. Touching the leads gives no reading. If we complete the connection by pushing the wire together, we get a tone and green light again, showing continuity. Let's look at the test functions that you have to manually switch between. The first thing we're going to test is frequency on a regular outlet. I will insert the leads back into the outlet, but this time manually selecting the frequency test marked HZ on the screen for hertz, and instantly we get a reading of almost 60 hertz. Now switch to the capacitance measurement function. With this test, we can read the size of capacitors on audio equipment, HVAC systems, and other circuitry. Look at that. I just connect the leads and the AMM-600 performs the test perfectly. Now we're going to find a diode on this circuit board and test if it's functioning properly. A diode should allow current to flow in one direction and blocks the current in the other. We connect our leads to either side of the diode and check for the reading. The non-contact voltage test is super convenient. Simply switch to the NCV test function and place the meter by an outlet. You'll get one of 3 readings: none, low, or high. Since the first reading is nothing, indicating no voltage, the second reading will be an L on the screen with the green light and a slow tone, indicating low voltage. When you move closer, you will see that there is a dangerous amount of electricity, indicating this with an H on the screen, a red light, and a faster tone. A quick and safe way to test voltage. The final test function is the live wire detection. We can switch to that function, plug leads into an outlet to get a positive test. We have a switch set up here where we have wired in a bunch of different ways. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have the ground wired as hot. We're going to switch to the live function on the AMM-600, plug the lead into the ground, and show you that we're getting a hot reading. If this was set up in a house, you would now know that this outlet is wired incorrectly. Now that we've gone through the test functions, let's check what else we get with the AMM-600. There's a hold function that will freeze a reading if you're working in tight spaces and cannot see the screen, or if you need to show someone else the reading. There is a flashlight, which is convenient when you're working in low light situation, which often happens when you need to shut off power and work with outlets. The AMM-600 also has this comfortable ergonomic grip that protects the device and is comfortable in the hand. That's it. Super convenient and easy to use. This is a powerful piece of equipment perfect for any professional, but the AMM-600 makes testing so easy, even a DIYer can get some great use from it. Thank you for watching. Check back for more tutorials, product launches, as well as some of our more laid back and funny informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe. You'll be happy you did.